If you've got wooden fence posts like I do here, you're gonna have situations where parts of it get busted up, either from animals hitting it or from it just rotting out. And here I got a board that just snapped in half because some animal hit it. But more often than not, they can rot away at the bottom. And what you can have is a situation where the bottom of the fence post is separated from the piece that's underground. And with that, you get a lot of weakness in the fence. And they've got a kit here that you can use to repair that. This is a very stout kit. You get all the mounting screws and hardware that you will need. And then you get 2 of the fence post repair parts. So you can do 2 posts with this. This is one set here, and here's the second set right here. Now the way this works is this part here is going to be screwed in to your fence post. And then at the bottom here, you're going to bolt this thing down to this piece that you're going to bash down into the dirt with a sledgehammer. And you can smash this down in. It's going to give a nice stable surface, and then mount to the top here, and you're going to be able to mount your fence post to this piece that's underground, nice and sturdy. The instructions they give you are great. Full color, really explains what's going on, how it works, that you're going to pound this portion down into the dirt and have this portion above mounted to the post. I'll show you how that would look here. I've got a fence post here starting to rot out. If it starts to slide around too much, I'm just going to take this here, line it up against the edge like this, and then I'm going to pound this down through all the way down flush to the ground here. And then with your other part here, it's going to go down here, bolt into the top of that piece there, and then screw in along the side here. And then your rotted out post is going to be completely fixed. So really ingenious tool, super strong. This stuff is all steel. It's about 1/8 of thickness all the way around with the bends in it to give it strength. The welds are nice. You can see that there. All the edges are smoothed around and painted black already. This tip here, pretty significant tip with a good angle, so you can bang that down on the ground with your sledge and you're not going to have any problems. These are already threaded here, so you're going to be able to implement this and screw that down in. It's not going to come loosen up on you. So overall, very good kit. Even the bolts they provide have like that stainless steel effect, so they're not going to rust up on you and make a mess. But definitely would recommend, if you've got a large fence like this and you do some repairs, this is a kit that could help you out. Hope that helps. Have a great day.